FlightHub reservations honest review watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume booking flights online is straightforward, but FlightHub offers unique features, discounts, and customer service options that you need to know about before booking. FlightHub is an online travel agency that allows users to search, compare, and book flights from multiple airlines worldwide. One standout feature is its discounted fares, often lower than what airlines advertise directly, because FlightHub aggregates deals and negotiates special rates. Most people assume online travel agencies are risky. The surprising truth is FlightHub provides a secure booking platform with 24/7 customer support and travel protection options. They also allow flexible search filters like departure times, airline alliances, layover durations, and more, making it easier to find the right flight for your schedule. Another advantage is package options. FlightHub offers hotel and car rental bookings alongside flights, which can sometimes save additional money through bundled pricing. They also provide fare alerts, helping travelers spot price drops and book at the optimal time. However, there are some considerations. FlightHub's customer service, while available, can be slower than booking directly with airlines. Cancellation policies vary depending on the airline and fare type, so it's critical to check terms carefully before booking. In conclusion, FlightHub is ideal for travelers looking for competitive pricing and convenient search tools. Its combination of discounted fares, bundled packages, and customizable search options makes it a solid choice, but always review the fine print before confirming your booking. Subscribe for more honest travel booking reviews before planning your next trip.